Ellen Page is a Canadian-based actress who is best recognized for featuring in the year 2005 drama Untitled Hard Candy, and for that she got the Auўtіn Film Critics Association Award for Best Actress. Early life. Ellen Page was born in the year 1987 to Martha Rhіlrottձ and Dennીظ Page. She was brought up in Halifax, situated inside Nova Ẓsotіa. Martha Rhіlrottձ is identified as a teacher, whereas Dennીظ Page is identified as a designer of graphics. She appeared in the Halifax Grammar School till grade 10, situated for some time in Queeन Elizabeth High School. And completed graduation from the Ẓhambhаlα Ẓshool during the year 2005. The actress has devoted 2 years within Toronto, getting the education within the internet program. While growing up, she has relished performing with acting figures as well as climbing trees. Age, height and weight. Being born on 21 February 1987, Ellen Page is 34 years old as of today's date, 14th February 2022. Her height is 1.55 meter tall and weight is 47 kg. Career. Ellen Page started off her career by initially acting in the year 1997 when she was of the age of 10 in famous CBC television film Untitled Pit Pony, and it afterward spun off to a television series. The role has directed to higher roles in many minor Canadian films like Marion Bridge. Her initial feature film character as well as in television series. Remarkable performing Trina Lahe within the second season of her trailer Park Boys. When she was of age 16, she had a cast in Mouth to Mouth, Awards and Achievements. Ellen Page was featured in the year 2005 drama Hard Candy, and for her performance she has won Auўtіn Film Critics Association Award for Best Actress. The actress' breakthrough role was noted as a lead character in Ritman's comedy movie Untitled Junu. For that, she got nomination for BAFTA Academy Award, Golden Globe as well as a Screen Actors Guild Award for Best Actress. She has won awards like the MTV Movie Award, Independent Separate Award as well as a Teen Choice Award for Best Actress Comedy. In the year 2008, the actress got ranked at number 86 on FHM's Sexiest Woman in the World list and was positioned at number 93 for the year 2009. In the year 2008, the actress got registered in Entertainment Weekly's featured a list stars list, net worth and salary. As of February 2022, Ellen Page has an estimated net worth of $15 million. She makes most of her income with her career as an actress. Right from her teen age, she started getting acting roles. She initially got extensive attention post featuring as a pregnant girl in the film Juno. Her acting career started through minor roles on some television shows such as a Pit Pony as well as a Trailer Park Boys. The actress' debut film role was noted to be 2002, The Wet Seasons. Later, she made the appearance in around a dozen of films like many famous and successful films like Inception, Whip It, and X-Men: The Last Stand. Ellen Page had shown her position and dedication towards working in the acting career when she was a kid. Later, she appeared as a teenager and then landed her professional acting career in her youth. The actress is too an in-demand voice-over artist as well as a celebrity endorser. Till now, she got nominated for over 25 other awards.